prepare to have your mind blown. Genesis just dropped something huge, something game-changing, something ... Magmatic. We're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Genesis Magma GT Concept. And trust me, you're not going to want to miss this. Buckle up, because this is more than just a car. It's a statement. Alright folks, let's get into the details. The Genesis Magma GT Concept is absolutely stunning. We're talking about a design language that's aggressive, yet elegant. Think sharp lines, a low-slung profile, and an overall presence that screams performance. I mean, just look at that front fascia. The signature Genesis crest grille is amplified, flanked by those sleek, futuristic headlights. In the side profile, pure poetry. The flowing lines lead back to a sculpted rear end, complete with a subtle spoiler and integrated taillights. But it's not just about looks, my friends. This concept hints at what Genesis is capable of when it comes to pushing the boundaries of automotive design. Imagine yourself behind the wheel of this beast. The engine, the power, the sheer exhilaration of driving something so unique and groundbreaking. Genesis is definitely sending a message. They're not just playing the game, they're changing it. We could be seeing a major shift in the performance car market. But what about what's under the hood? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? While Genesis hasn't revealed all the specifics, the Magma name suggests something fiery and powerful. We're talking potentially a high-performance electric drivetrain, maybe even a hybrid system. Think instant torque, blistering acceleration, and a driving experience that will leave you breathless. And let's not forget about the interior. Expect nothing less than luxurious materials, cutting-edge technology, and a cockpit designed for ultimate driver engagement. We're talking premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and a massive infotainment display that seamlessly integrates with the overall design. I'm picturing a minimalist approach, focusing on what really matters, the connection between the driver and the machine. The attention to detail is insane, and it could be the next benchmark in the luxury performance car industry. This is so revolutionary. So what do you think about the Genesis Magma GT concept? Is this the future of performance cars? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more automotive news, reviews, and all things cool. And as always, share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts. Thanks for watching.